Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing how to upload a video. So like, share and subscribe. So first is uploading style. We need to go to YouTube, then press then select a video, then go to next. Then we have to write a title. Okay, so I'm writing title in my topic. You can write in yours. Okay, then add FC Mobile and make the title with like experienced person. Like it should be not the hashtag. It only use in the shorts. Like hashtag go viral, not like that, bro. So if then you write this, you have to not upload now, okay? And question mark. Make the name look professional. Then go to add description, but not this time. We should not add this time, but select it's not made for kids. Then go to public, then add in on unlisted. You can see here unlisted. Then do nothing here. Okay, then upload it. Okay, now it's going to upload. When you upload it, after some time you go to YT Studio and go to edit. Then choose the thumbnail first. I'm choosing, you can see this icon because it's my private photos there. Okay, so get for free. I like made a thumbnail and add description now. XYZ in yours way. Okay, when you add, made it from ChatGPT. Then go to add tags. You can add tags also upon to each ABCD and select your category. Education, like I'm doing blah blah blah. You can add in your the topic. Then schedule it to whenever you need it to. Okay, schedule it like I'm scheduling on 4 o'clock. You can also schedule it. When you scheduled, see everything is fixed, then edit save. That's it for guys today. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.